In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Wix landing page in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. If you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard, where all your website management tools are conveniently located. Now that you're on the dashboard, it's time to start creating your landing page. On the left side of the Wix editor, look for the option labeled Pages and Menu. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up all the pages that currently exist within your Wix website. If you're starting fresh, you might not see much here, but that's perfectly fine. Your next decision is whether you'd like to work from a blank canvas or use one of the many pre-designed page templates that Wix offers. Selecting a blank page allows you to design every element according to your unique vision, while a template can give you a head start if you're short on time or design inspiration. Once you've made that choice, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new page in the Pages panel. This is the name that will appear in your website's navigation menu, so make sure it's clear and indicative of what your landing page is about. Whether it's summer sale, newsletter sign-up, or contact us, this should give visitors a hint of what to expect. After you've named your page, you can move forward by clicking the Done button. This will officially add the page to your website. At this point, your landing page is ready for you to fill it with content, images, and anything else that suits your purpose. Wix allows you to drag and drop elements with ease, customize typography and colors, and integrate media to make your new landing page pop. And there you have it, a quick and simple process to create a landing page on Wix. Remember that